Dhyanam in my school, and I'm going to recite it. I'm going to recite Gita Dhyanam. If my pronunciation are not correct, please do correct me at the end. Thank you. May I start?
Yes.
Please.
Jai Shri Krishna. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Puran Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritamarshiniം Bhagavatim Ashtadashaധ്യായിനിം Amba Tvamanusandathamini Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim Namostute Vyasa Vishal Buddhe Pulharavindayatapatra Yena Tvaya Bharatatailyapunaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vaitraikapanaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gītāmృतदुहे नमः सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सुधीर्भोक्तां दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथचला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनदी कर्णेन वेलाकुलाः अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी शोतेण खलु पाण्डवे रणनदी कैवर्तक केशवः मुखं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दं माधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदः क्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः Om. Thank you.
Thank you so
That was
much.
a real
It's
wow.
nice.
Real wow. And so relevant. Thank you so much, Maithili ji. It was so soothing,
Thank
so
you.
And
relevant.
you memorize it. Very nice.
Great and beautiful.
Yes, I've been practicing it every day since I was young. It just
Wow.
enchanted,
Just
so I
wow.
love it very much.
It's so
If it
nice.
is
Nandini
wrong,
said
if
it so
any
well.
pronunciation is wrong, I'm glad to get corrected.
Perfect. Just
It was
perfect.
beautiful.
Nice. It was beautiful.
Thank you very much.
So relevant to the Anandotsav today,
Yeah.
I must say. Very thoughtful of you. Very,
We are
very, very
obliged.
thoughtful.
Yeah, actually, I'm diabetic patient, so doctor recommended me to get Sanskrit, to learn Sanskrit language and to
Wow.
recite shloka to maintain my health. So I have
Oh,
been
that's
doing
nice.
this since young, since I was 5 years old. So a couple of months back, I was sick and I was reciting Gita. I joined actually Gita to get my health back, get my health stable. So thank you very much, all of you. You have been helping me to maintain my health.
You're on the right path. Your health will be fine. The Lord is holding your hand. Once you learn the Gita, it's the Lord who takes over. So don't worry at all. You'll have very fine health.
Thank
Don't
thank
leave
you
the
very
Bhagavad
much.
Gita. Continue to chant the Bhagavad Gita. Don't leave that.
Sure,
Join every
sure.
level and do how much ever you can. Don't miss the shlokas. You'll do fine.
Thank
All
you.
the
like
best.
Thank you.
invite
Jai Shri Krishna.
शैलजा जी को इनवाइट कीजिए, फिर उनका वीडियो प्ले कर देते हैं।
जी भैया, कविता दीदी कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, पहले हम कविता दीदी को सुन
उसके
लेते
बाद कविता दीदी बोलेगी, पहले
अच्छा।
शैलजा का सुन लेते हैं।
ओके, ठीक है।
उनका डांस का वीडियो
शैलजा जी,
लगा।
शैलजा जी।
No, शैलजा त्रिवेदी।
Yeah, I unmuted her.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna, Shalda ji.
Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Yeah, we want to know about you.
Yes, I'm a final year student, fourth year student of dentistry. And right now I'm at home as we have as there were many patients in our college. So we've been sent home right now, and soon we'll go for the COVID duty. We have received the letter to go for it, and so we'll go
College?
for very soon. Yes,
Which
and so
college,
maybe
Shailaja?
I believe that I will be able to join the next level, but it will depend on that. So, and also I'm trained in Kathak, Visharad. I'm Kathak Visharad, and I was trained since I was 4 years old. So here I want to present a video which I choreographed the bhajan Sri Ramchandra Kripalu Bhajmana on Sri Ram, Lord Sri Ram, when there was Shilanyas of Sri Ram Mandir last year. So this was related to that. Also, I'm a member of, if you all know, Rashtra Sevika Samiti. So I'm a member of that, RSS. You might have heard of it. So there was a project kind of thing. So what you all know or what you can do something like that. So I did a dance and choreographed a bit what I know on the bhajan.
Okay, I'll share it now.
Lively person. Very lively, very lively.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है। सरदार जी आवाज कनेक्ट कर रही है।
Shraddha.
Is it audible?
No, restart उसका म्यूजिक ठीक से करिए, साउंड।
One second. Now? I'll try again, Bhaiya. Till then, let me try just why it's not, because I'm able to hear it.
Shraddha ji, can you give me the permission to record, please?
Yeah, ma'am. 1 second.
कविता जी गाइड कर देंगी आपको। कविता जी को अनम्यूट कीजिए। She will be able to guide you.
Yes, she is
Any-
unmuted. Kavita Didi?
आपके वहाँ पे कुछ ईयरफोन या ऐसा कुछ तो लगा हुआ नहीं है ना दीदी, शैलजा दी? एक मिनट का कंफर्म।
उनको शेयर करने का परमिशन दे दीजिए दीदी। शैलजा जी को परमिशन दे दीजिए, she can share directly.
Yeah, Shalja ji, you can play directly. I gave you permission. Shalja ji. You try, Shalja ji. I just opened the screen share.
Didi, you can take the next one. I'll manage. I'll prepare, and I'll then tell you. Then I will share the.
Okay,
I
okay.
will
Yeah,
share
yeah,
the
sure,
screen.
sure,
Okay?
sure. Sure, it's okay. Amey ji?
अमेय ग्रुप, अमेय को ले लीजिए, अमेय एंड फैमिली if they are ready.
Yes, yes,
अमेय देशपांडे फैमिली.
yes. Jai Shri Krishna, everybody. Okay. So, first of all, I would like to thank Shraddha ji, Shivkami Didi, Mahesh Bhaiya, everybody from Geeta Parivar to give us this opportunity. Firstly, to start with this journey from 12th Adhyay, it's been like 2 weeks, like almost 20 days, a month now. And it was a wonderful journey. This was my first time to formally learn Geeta in proper pronunciations and international Sanskrit standards and stuff, because I had lost my Sanskrit touch after my school days, and after that learning these shlokas in this form was really amazing. Secondly, thank you so much to Geeta Parivar for one more thing, that is my mother and my father as well as my brother was not able to join the classes. They had missed the registration dates for the April month, but after the coordination they were enrolled in the same batch, and if they pass this examination they would be Geeta Gunjans in the coming examinations. So the support from you people is amazing. Secondly, the collage you people have done behind the Mahesh Bhaiyas and Shraddha ji's wallpaper, it's truly remarkable, as well as it's the hard work and the emotions your people have put in. Amazing. So we are gathered here, like we all four had decided that we would recite Pasaidan, extension of Geeta written by Sant Dnyaneshwar. So Dnyaneshwar Maharaj written this Geeta in layman's language so that everybody can understand this Geeta. So after that, at the end of Dnyaneshwari, there is this Vishwa Kalyan Prarthana. So we all can, you people, if anybody knows that, you people can join us. We will recite that. Okay?
One thing I'll tell about them, the whole family is joined together and everyone is devotedly learning Gita. I'm really amazed. Congratulate each and everyone, especially mother, father, everyone, the Deshpande family. Thank you so much. Please.
Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuti, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Ata Vishwatmake Deve, Ene Vagyatne Toshave, Tosho Nimadhyave, Pasaya Danahe, Ye Karanchi Vyankati Sando, Saya Tatkarni Rativado, Bhuta Paraspare Rao, Maitra Jivanche, Duritanche Timirasao, Vishwasva Dharma Surye Paho, जो जेवांजिल तो तेला हो प्राणिजात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवर्त भूमंडळी बेतटु भूता सदा कल्पतरुचे आरव हे पहा चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलतीचे अर्णव पीयूषांचे चंद्रमेघे लांछन मार्दंडचे तापहीन ते सर्वाणि सदा सज्जना सोय रे होतु किंबहुना सर्वसुखी पूर्ण हो नितिनी लोकी भजिजो राजपुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकी दे दृष्टा दुष्ट विजये हो आविजे हे समने श्री विश्वेश्वराहो आओ येल दान पताहो येणे बरे ज्ञान देहो सुखिया झाला सुखिया झाला सुखिया झाला जय श्री कृष्ण.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Very well said, so coordinated, divine. Ameya was is such a very sincere student.
Yes,
Am I audible?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Very sincere student. And all of you have chanted very well. I've heard your videos. All of you have chanted.
Yeah, and you people are well dressed according to the occasion.
Please continue your journey. Go on to level 2, level 3, level 4.
And obviously it will be fun, like full family will join L2 together.
Yes, ma'am. So, actually, I would like to take this moment to thank my mom here because she's in the level 2 of same Gita, and because of her, I joined, and eventually we all now are the part of Gita Parivar.
That's
So,
nice. Now for preparation, it will be very good.
Aapko-
All four together can sit and recite in a day. All the best.
Great thanks to Ameya's mother. Personal
Yeah, ma'am.
thanks to her from the Gita Parivar for motivating the whole family to chant the Bhagavad Gita. Great thing.
खूप छान मॅडम. मला कधीच शिकायचं होतं. माझ्या मिस्टरांना 15वा अध्याय येतो. माझ्या सासूबाईंना पण येत होता. मी पण
Okay.
15वा अध्याय येत होता, पण मला पूर्ण शिकायचं होतं आणि मला ती संधी मिळाली. मी आता सध्या
Right.
मध्ये आहे. खूप छान,
Right.
म्हणजे खूप छान वाटतं आणि मी ट्रेनिंगच्या ह्याच्यात सुद्धा आहे, नाव हे केलंय, माझं रजिस्टर केलंय.
Oh, great. Great.
खूप छान आहे.
Totally into the Gita. Very good. Excellent. Ameya on the right track. Great. Really, what you said is that you have to thank your mother
exactly.
for the inspiration. Can make out.
Yeah.
All
Anyone
the
else?
best.
Jai Krishna, everybody.
Thank you,
Jai
Ameji.
Shri Krishna.
Next will unmute Alchana ji.
शैलजा जी रेडी शैलजा जी का मैसेज है शी इज रेडी टू शेयर
She has to join.
Yeah, Shailaji has written. Didi,
Okay,
I'm ready.
Shailja ji.
Yes, Didi.
You join with the two devices. Check whether you can share the screen. Shailja ji, you have to disconnect audio from one of your device. Like from where you are screen sharing, that one only you just join. Shailja ji, are you there? Shaljaji, are you there?
Let us proceed till then for other participants, such status. Audio.
She has not played yet, Bhaiya. She is just going to the right point, I guess. Shaljaji, if you will speak, at least we will come to know what is happening there.
Switch on audio near Ranka. Can't unmute myself. उनको unmute कीजिए.
श्रद्धा जी अनम्यूट कीजिए.
जी दीदी. जी Shaljaji.
Can you hear now?
Yeah. Yeah, it's
आपकी
better.
ऑडियो वीडियो
इस संदर्भ में मैं भक्त कवि तुलसीदास जी महाराज की प्रसिद्ध रचना जो महात्मा गांधी जी को भी प्रिय थी, श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन.
Didi, can you hear the audio of video?
Yeah, Didi.
Okay.
You just play it.
प्रस्तुत कर रही हूं. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन हरण भव भय दारुण. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन हरण भव भय दारुण. नव कंज लोचन कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारुणम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन. गणित अमित छवि नव नील नीरद सुंदरम. पट पीतमानम गणित रुचि शुचि नामि जनक सुतावरम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन. वजुदीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम. रघुनंद आनंद कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन. श्री मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषण. आजानुभुज शर चाप धर संग्राम जित कर भूषण. इति वदति तुलसीदास शंकर शेष मुनि मनरंजनम. मम हृदय गंज निवास Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Man Varana Bhava Bhaya Darunam Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaju Man Varana Bhava Bhaya Darunam Navaganja Lochana Kanja Mukadara Kanja Pada Kanjarunam
हाँ एक सेकेंड
Chandra Kripalu Bhaju Man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shalja ji.
Thank you everyone.
10 बजे दूध पीते हैं, 10:30 हो गए, पू करने की उठने की जरूरत नहीं है. टुडे दूध इज कैंसिल.
Excuse me.
अब तुम दोगे 11:45 11 बजे दूध पिए, जरूरत नहीं है ना हमको.
Amey ji, you want to say something? Your hand was raised. Now we'll take. Yeah.
Actually, I lower my hand. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay. Now we'll take Archana ji.
I'm supposed to, like, I can just, okay. First of all, really thank you to you and ma'am for whatever you all are doing. I am a cosmetic dentist. I have done my cosmetic dentistry from New York University, and I'm practicing since last 25 years. So I almost 6-7 years back, I went to Pune University to learn Sanskrit because it was not taught in my school, and I have a lot of affection for the language and mythology. Like, I read Mahabharata, Ramayana, everything in English. So I wanted to have a real feel and know the. So even now, when the shlokas, although they are joined, I understand the meaning because I know the words. Like, even if it's cha uttam, so I know cha means and or also, uttam means, so I know the meanings, like I understand. But being in convent school or after that dentistry and just studying, pronunciations was a very big problem, and I realized that my pronunciations would go wrong. So for 4 years, I went to Pune University as a student, and I learned Sanskrit over there. One more year, if I do, I'll become BA in Sanskrit, and then I can take MA subject and do so. I was thinking of taking Gita as a subject for MA, but unfortunately, both my parents were ill those years, and 2-3 years went in the illness. Then I lost my parents, so I couldn't. But now, the minute I was introduced to y'all through a friend, I was so overjoyed. I have no words. So it's like God wanted me to do this, and it happened. So I am looking forward, because in the 3rd year, we were supposed to by heart one adhyay as an exam, and I couldn't do it. So now the confidence you all have given is going to help me even do my BA in Sanskrit, and I'm doing the whole thing however I can, because I'm working in the morning clinic house. My son is in the 11th standard. Plus I started one new venture wherein, because I lost my mother to pancreatic cancer, for last 4 years, I did courses in a few universities in UK and all that. And I've learned to make anything, right from soap, shampoo, cosmetic, lipstick, everything with natural ingredients. So I'm right now even working on eliminating plastic completely. So the packaging will, like, I'm as a dentist, I've made tablets instead of a toothpaste. So I'm working even on that. So actually I'm super busy with everything, but I look forward to the 10 o'clock this, and the way y'all understand each one of us with patience and correct us. And I mean, I have no words. I'm so grateful to y'all. Thank you very much. And I feel a part of your family. I've always been a part. I had to be just introduced this time. One more thing, it's my birthday and I complete 50 years today, and I'm celebrating it with you all.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
And I all my cousins, everybody wanted to do a Zoom. I said, no, no, no. I want to be on this platform today because hereafter my life is going to be a different kind of a life. Like
Sure.
somebody like Atharva who said he wants to be a yogi. I always wanted to be, but you know how it is. Like you study, you get married, you have children, you're in family, but you have that pull towards it, and then it's fulfilled by people like you. So very, very grateful, and everybody's energy on this class is so good. Like the efforts, even all the students and the kids, like when these small children are doing it, it is such an inspiration. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Very
Ashna
much
ji.
for
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri
Shri
Krishna.
such
Krishna.
nice words, and so well you have put across your point so well, and so really straight from the heart. We could see it was coming straight from the heart. Thank you so much, Archana ji. Jai Shri Krishna.
Kavita Didi.
Welcome, Kavita ji.
I unmute her. It's not happening. Tulika ji, ma'am, the meeting will start. We have to start the meeting again because it's
we
4
do.
minutes remaining. So we will start it again because so many people are still
Yeah,
there
we'll do it
for
again.
us to have. Okay, Tulika ji, you want
Yes,
to
Jai Shri
recite
Krishna,
something?
ma'am.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna ji.
Yes, ma'am, before I begin, I would definitely want to introduce myself. I've been a teacher at the secondary section for the last 20 years now, and I've been teaching literature and social studies. Well, it's been a long journey for me as a teacher, teaching kids, and I'm so elated to have Advik and Atharva here on this platform, because that gives me immense pleasure that the children here are our future tomorrow. So they are learning Bhagavad Gita, and that is giving me immense pleasure. So keep it up, Advik, and keep it up, Atharva. Good going. At this age, I didn't even know what was Bhagavad Gita. So so very nice. I feel very related to actually share this. So I would definitely congratulate them. And Sivakami ma'am, you actually, your voice resonates the ringing of bells in a temple. So ma'am, that's what you do, magic to my ears. Thank you so much, Sivakami ma'am. This really fills my heart with joy. Shraddha ma'am, you have coordinated so well with all of us. So it's been a fantastic journey because of you. And what do I say to sir? Sir has been so kind enough, Mahesh Goenka ji. I have had a long conversation with him for almost half an hour when he congratulated me. And he is a versatile person. He is having a mastery on so many languages. And I actually pleaded him to introduce himself the other day, but unfortunately he didn't. So Mahesh ji, I would really want you to take out some time today and talk about yourself and let everyone know how versatile you are. So Mahesh ji, please do the needful after I sum up. Now, there's just one thing that I would like to say is the world is reeling with COVID, and yes, every day we seem to be disheartened hearing of some news of someone who's someone's demise, or somebody who is really very, very critical. So to have the world in peace, I would like to sing Sanskrit prayer, which is the Shanti part for all of you. So yes, this is for
Tulika ji,
everyone.
we will start
Very
the meeting
relevant.
again, then you do, because we have just 1 minute and that will not be
Okay.
sufficient for us. So I'll end the
Okay.
meeting and I'll start it again. You all please rejoin.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.